Okay. Can you understand this?
Okay, class student string name and in mark in some variable and you.
Yeah, this is nothing but a constructor.
Yeah, I see. Constructor.
Yes. Okay. Then I am creating a method called toString.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not creating now. Okay. Now I have a main. Okay.
Yes.
In the main, I'm creating an student object. Okay.
Yes.
Now suppose you want to print the details of the student. How will you do it? You will do, man, what I'm writing, what I'm doing. Just a minute.
Okay.
So I will be doing like student dot name, correct?
Yes.
And maybe like student dot marks. Okay, then we can print it, correct?
Yes. We
I will just run it and show it to you. Fine.
yes.
Okay. Now I am doing one more thing. If I do sys out of student object, can you just guess what will it print? The line number 8.
It will print student.name and student.marks.
Let us try that. I'm commenting this part. Okay, let that be. What is it printing?
That comes to then and why?
Yes. Actually, okay, one more thing I am asking you. What is this student? Means what kind of data is
Yeah.
this?
Student
Tell
is
me.
an object.
Good, very good. Okay. So whenever you do, okay, one more thing. One more basic thing. Okay. If I say print one, what will this print? The line number 9.
It will print number 1.
Good, you are right. My next question is, what is this one? Means it is a string or a integer?
In first number 1, it is three. It's an integer.
Okay. One more question I have for you. Uh, See, this println method is there, right?
Yeah.
Println actually takes everything as a integer text string. Okay. So whenever you pass any integer value also, in turn, internally it will do to convert it into a string.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever you put it in this value, internally it will get converted into string
Okay.
and then it will be printed.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one is not an integer, it is a string,
Yes.
correct?
Yes, correct. In fact, it is a number, but it will convert automatically to string. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, correct. Now, how will it get converted? It will get converted internally. Okay. by similarly, okay, on the same line, okay, coming to this object, student object, it also gets converted into string. Okay, so when you just do println of student, it will internally this student object will get converted into a string, and then that will be printed.
Yeah.
Okay, so this gets printed. So the what does it print? It is the standard format given by Java to declare that okay, a string equivalent of this object will be the class name at the rate some memory location where this object resides or is
Okay.
stored.
Okay. Okay. One
Okay.
1 5DB974 42 is memory location, right?
Yes, a form of location, not the complete
Okay.
exact location, but that is also again changed into some format. So for user, it will get some value like this.
Yes.
Okay.
How about .com?
So
Com is a packet.
for com is the package,
Okay. And still.
student is the
And,
class name,
okay.
this class name.
Okay. Yes, the class name.
Okay,
And
because student class is in com package.
yeah.
If I make it com1, okay,
Okay.
let's see what happens.
Yes.
See now student is in com package.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Because it is now it has gone outside the package, so visibility will come into picture.
Yeah.
So I have to make it public.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if I run this, see com88.
Okay. I see. Yes.
So wherever the student class is, that package name dot student class name
Yes.
at the rate, and then some memory location or some random number.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the actual question, what is toString? So as I told, whatever you value you put it in the println statement, it will automatically get converted into a string format.
Yes.
Okay. So how it gets converted? It gets converted by calling a method called toString. Okay,
Okay.
toString. Okay, one more thing I will tell you beforehand. There is a class called object class. You know, you have heard of that class, object class.
Yeah. Sure.
What is that object class? Okay, I will not go now in that level. Leave that point. Leave that point.
Okay.
Okay. So I was telling you that whenever any object is you are trying to print it using println, it will internally get converted into a string format.
Mm.
Agreed? No doubt?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how will they get converted into a string format? They will call a method called toString. Okay.
Yes.
So this student, whenever you try to print it, it will get converted into a string format by calling a method
toString.
toString method. Okay. Even if you don't do it, you don't give it, it will print. It will convert internally by calling the method called toString.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Now, what can you do? You can override the string toString method. How?
Okay.
That is the general standard format of toString. See, we have overridden the toString method with this syntax.
Yes.
You can always create by your own also. This is the standard format.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now when you call this, you will get in this format
Mm,
because you have overridden the toString method.
yes, I see.
Now you got it right.
Yes.
So suppose you don't override it, then you will get this format. But when you override that, then you will get your required format. You
Okay.
got it?
Yes.
You can always change it. Like you can put any value here and then that should work.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so you understood about the toString method?
Yes.
Okay. So shall we start the inheritance topic?
Okay. Before we start inheritance, can I ask you one more question?
Tell me.
Okay. Could you move to your coding?
Okay.
Okay. The main method. Yes. Okay. Okay. You already create classman and the student. Okay. And then you create an object or the class student called student object. Okay.
Yes.
And then you initialize the parameter
Yes.
Banu and AH. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
Yes. How can we input this the achievement by scanner?
Okay. You can take data from. Okay.
Yes.
So in this way you can do it. This was a problem, right?
Yes. Okay. But can we input two parameters? Your example input parameter name only, no marks.
I didn't understand. Tell me again.
Okay. Let me ask you again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. At first, I ask you to input by scanner, right?
Okay.
Okay. And then
Yes.
you give me an example or the string name by scanner.
Yes.
Yes. But 88 no, it default value.
Default value.
Yes. But I want to input by scanner two parameters.
Okay. I think you are asking this.
Yes. Yes, sure. It's correct.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I see. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Hmm. So